When I was younger, I was obsessed with rocks, and in wanting to learn more about it, I got a Scholastic where I learned about the colors and different meanings of such. So we'll be exploring this while we explore Boolean logic. So to start, we should get our two variables. Since we have the colors as well as the meanings, those will be our two variables that the user can input. So we'll have color equals input, and then we'll guide the user. So we'll say pick, and then pick a color. We'll say pink, purple, and then we'll have it inline so it looks nice when it prints. And then we will do the meaning. So we'll say meaning equals input, and then we'll guide the reader or the user. Pick a meaning, and we'll say love, and then royalty, and then an inline. And then we should do a default for the rock. So we'll say rock not found. Now, the most basic Boolean logic is just a one condition statement, an if statement with just one condition. So we'll have if the color equals pink, so the first one is just pink, we will say the rock now equals pink granite. AKA, if the if statement of the color being pink that the user inputted, we'll have the rock equal now pink granite instead of not found. But what if we have two conditions and we want both of them to be true for the whole thing to be true? Well, we use and. So we'll say if the color is pink and the meaning is love, we will be saying that the rock now is rose quartz. Because we have weird indentation, we will push this back. Okay, beautiful. So the reason why we do two if statements rather than an if statement and then else if is because both of those statements use the colors pink. And if we put, say the user just puts in pink, even though if they put love, it'll always say pink granite. So we need another if statement. So then, for the same reason, we'll do another if statement. So now, what if we want the color to be purple, but the meaning can either be love or royalty? We'll use both and or statements. So we'll say the color is purple, and we'll either have the meaning can be love, or the meaning can be royalty. An or statement just means if this statement or this statement is true, then this whole thing will be true. And if the color is purple, then that whole if statement is true. So it will do, it will now change rock to be, rock will now equal amethyst. I know how to spell amethyst. Amethyst, there you go. And then at the end, we'll print out the rock. But here is a question. We have a default for the rock is not found at all, but what if the user just put in the wrong color? Well, we can't find it if you don't put pink or purple, so what we'll do is we'll do another if statement and use not. So say if it's not the color of pink, or if it's not the color of purple. Oh, hey, I don't know why you're here, but hey, goodbye. Okay, so what does this mean? It basically means if the color is not pink, this should be or. The reason why it should be or is because even though we say if the color is not pink and it's not purple, it's saying if both of those are true. So if they're both not pink, which you can't really have both, then the statement will be true. But we're saying if it's not pink or it's not purple, then we'll say that the rock's color is not found. So we'll say rock's color not found. Now if we run it, let's hope it be nice. Okay. So we only have one equal sign. So we need to do 2 so it's evaluates if it's true. So we will clear this. And then we'll run it. So now we'll do, let's say, the rose quartz. So we'll say that the color is pink and then the meaning is love. And then boom, we have our rose quartz that is weirdly capitalized, but it's okay. So at the end of the day, that is how you do it. Just to remind you, we have and basically means if all the statements in the if statement is true, then the whole statement is true. Or means if this statement or this statement is true, the whole if statement is true. And not if one of these conditions is not true, then the whole thing is not true. Or part of it is not true. So, yes, that is Boolean logic. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bum.